Hey, what's going on, guys? Eddie here with Eddie's Customs and Restorations. So we got a K10 right here, and even though it's nighttime, that's why I got the flash on, but I wanted to show you what kind of play we have on our steering here and what it takes to keep it going straight down the road. But we got a good, I'm gonna say like 9 inches worth of play here on the steering, and we went ahead and ordered a gearbox from Redhead gears, and this is kind of in a sense a review of that product, and we're gonna see what that product does. We're gonna install it right here pretty soon, and I'm not doing a how-to video. There's other how-to videos on there, so I'm gonna install that right now, and I'll show you once I get back here to the shop. I'm gonna show you the original box that is on the truck, and then I'll also show you the Redhead gearbox before and after, you know, once we take it off the truck, and then what go on, you know, so on and so forth. But yeah, once I get back to the shop, I'll cut you guys back on. All right, so we are back here at the shop, and you know, I just wanted to show you the interior, that way you know that that's the truck we were just driving. And that's the original gearbox on there. Actually, it doesn't look like an original gearbox. It looks like one of those remanufactured gearboxes you get out of your local auto parts stores. And got the Redhead gearbox. There's the box right there. Here's the unit. They package it real nicely. They put this diaper on it right here so it doesn't leak all over the box. But it's a fairly nice unit. I don't want to scratch it all up here, but you know, we'll go ahead and install it here, and you know, we'll give you another test drive and see how it all works out, and see if we get rid of that play. All right, out with the old and in with the new gearbox is installed, that Redhead gearbox. So now let's go for a cruise. Let's see how it does. All right, so we're cruising down the same road as we were before, and I'm really impressed. Again, Redhead gearbox. This gearbox has no more play than what a factory brand new vehicle has. It is zeroed in nicely. I mean, the truck needs an alignment, but that's a different story. That's why the steering wheel is all cocked over to the side. I got a car coming up front, so let me pause this. All right, so here goes the turn for you guys. So the reason I'm focusing on the steering wheel a lot is so you guys can see that it was literally effortless to turn this wheel. So real nice feel gearbox. There is no play, like I said. It feels like a brand new vehicle. It's hang on a second, I got a car coming again. Sorry, I don't want to be distracting any other drivers, you know. So anyhow, very nice feel to the gearbox, and there's no play at all. So like I said, the only reason the steering wheel is cocked over to the side like this is because it does need to get aligned. It had gotten a lift kit. It got a 6-inch lift, so you got 35s, you know, 6-inch lift. And that alone also adds to play, you know. It also gives play because you're dragging a bigger tire. So generally speaking, you're pretty much always going to have play, you know, except the newer vehicles, you know, have real nice rack and pinions. So they're very downright tight. So, but anyhow, going to this one, super well feeled. Or the feeling feels very good on this gearbox, real nice and tight, like I said. And I'll turn again right now real quick here. I'm gonna turn into a little business here, but it's super easy to turn, you know, literally no effort at all. Very easy. So there you have it, guys. Another nicely built steering gearbox by Redhead Steering Gears. Cost on the Redhead gearbox for this K10 was about $619 or something like that. But you get a $200 rebate once you send in your core. So once you get that sent, you're gonna end up spending 400 and change. But believe me, you're never gonna get your play corrected with those remanufactured gearboxes from O'Reilly's or AutoZone. Take it from me, I've been down that road before. I've done it to several vehicles. I've bought from AutoZone, I've bought from O'Reilly's, I've bought from Advance. I've even gotten factory ones from a junkyard. It always ends up the same. The Borgeson steering gearboxes are good as well, but we decided again to go with the Redhead steering gears. So generally what you hear is the Borgeson gearbox is going to have a slight amount of play, but it is super smooth, and the Redhead will be much tighter and it'll feel a little firmer than the Borgeson, but you're not going to have any play at all. So as you all saw from the video, there's not an ounce of play on that thing. The little bit of play that it has, it is the normal that you find on any vehicle, any modern day vehicle that you drive off the lot. That, you know, there's gonna be a tolerance of like about an inch or something like that, or no, not an inch, like a half an inch or something, and even that might be too much. So anyhow, it feels really nice and tight, as you all saw again on the driving that we did right now. Sorry it was at nighttime, but that's when it got done. That's when we did it, and it had to be a nighttime video. But the proof is there. You know, you can look at the video again. Proof is there, like I said. So again, highly recommend these guys. It's a great gearbox. Anyway, till next time, guys.